do video to show you guys how I do the shipping for when I sell something on eBay. It's very simple. You sold something, it tells you it's ready for shipping. So I get the item and I put it on my scale. This is 5 ounces. So it's 5 ounces. This is the scale that I use. And you want to make sure that you tare it, that you put it on 0 when you place it on something flat. Make sure that it's at 0. You know, you turn the knob or however you put tare, and you start at 0, you put your item and you weigh it. So this is 5 ounces. Anything that is under 16 ounces, under a pound, that's gonna be able to go through first class. So I take a grocery bag, and I do this from experience. I've sold items, like I sold a white, really pretty, like wool blend Minnie Mouse sweater. It had Minnie Mouse right here in the front. I shipped it, and the buyer sent pictures of it, tore up on the sleeve, on the bottom of it, on the collar, that it had tears and covered in mud. And she said that that's how it arrived to her. You know, back then when I did that one, I think I used to use tissue paper, okay? So her argument was that I didn't pack it well, that the plastic got tore, or who knows, you know. But she was saying that she wasn't going to pay for it, that she wanted a refund because of how it arrived. So sometimes you don't know where the item is going, okay? Or how the conditions are, if it's raining, if it's snowing, whatever. So I always do this. I put it in a grocery bag. It's plastic, it's waterproof. So I put the item in there. You know, I close it, and I'll put a little piece of tape. Sometimes you have to go through things to learn, you know. That's how you become good at anything. So I'm sharing my experience to tell you guys what is best, how to do it the best way. I mean, you could get the plastic bags that have a seal, but I don't sell that much anymore, that I don't have that volume for me to really go into investing that much, okay? So I get a piece of tape, I seal this, and then I put it in these. These are the ones I have left from when I had an eBay store. So, and this is plastic too, you know, it's very light, but it will protect the garment from if it's raining or snowing, so it won't get wet. And then, oh, this one has the, I forgot, it has the little adhesive already. So without this, it weighed 5 ounces. Now with the bag and everything, now it's 6 ounces. I don't know, it's still under a pound, so that's good. So then I go in my phone, I go on my eBay app, and I go to my eBay, I go to selling, and then click on sold. Right there it will show you the items that already have sold and you've received payment. So then you go to paid, ship now, and then you go to print shipping label. You print your shipping label, you make sure that your addresses are correct, like I've said before. You make sure your addresses are correct, that everything looks good. You purchase your label, and I have a wireless printer that's in my room, so I have to go get the label from over there. But I'll get the label in a white sheet of paper. I don't have the adhesive ones, you know, the sticker ones. You could get those if you're selling more often. And then I just cut it up. I put some tape. I put tape on it, and then I have it ready by the door when I'm leaving to go to the post office, or if the postman is nearby, I give him the packages. Okay, now this is the way to do clothes under a pound. Very easy. Okay, if I sell anything heavy, I'll make another video about it, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so this is a simple video of how to ship light items under a pound and using the app from your phone. It's that easy. Okay guys, get yourself one of these scales. I see them all the time at Savers, Goodwill. It's a shipping scale. You can get an electronic one. You can get one like this, but you know, it's worth it. You'll make your money back on it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I do this other item. And this item is a set of earrings, and they're more fragile. So I have an envelope that I save from when I order things from Amazon. I'll save my boxes, I'll save the packages and reuse them. Why not? Okay, so I have my package, and I'm going to put a piece of tape, and then I'm going to weigh it. And this is definitely gonna be under a pound. So it's not gonna be more than $4. I'll show you right now. So I put a piece of tape so that they don't come out. And then I'm going to also put it in one of these. And then close it up. And then this one weighs 1 ounce, okay? So I'll tell you how much this one is gonna cost. I go to my app, I go to sold, and then I find the item, print shipping label, let's see. So it's 1 ounce, and like the app already knew that. So yeah, that's true. And I'm gonna use first class package, yep. So it's gonna cost $3.09. Okay, and eBay is giving you a discount. eBay gives you a discount for doing all this through the app. Okay, so I'm getting a 97 cent discount by doing it through eBay. Yes, do it through eBay. Okay, so here it tells me who it's going to, and then where it's coming from. Yes, and then let me see. I charged this person $3.75. I charged them $3.75 for the shipping, and it's costing me $3.09. Not bad, you know. You get a few cents, you know, for tape and the envelope. That's good. Not losing money there. And then you're making, you know, whatever you sold them for, minus of course the eBay fee and minus the PayPal fee. So not bad. And then I hit purchase, and my label is going to print. My printer that I have set up is wireless, so I'll go get my label and I'll cut it, and I'll show you how I put it on here. And again, this is the scale that I use. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my label. So I got my label. You know, like I always use just blank sheets of paper, and then I cut it in half, and I save the other half for another label for later, if I happen to sell anything else. So I cut it. You can fold it too, doesn't matter. And then I put my 4 pieces of tape. You want to make sure you know, that like if you don't know where it's going, if it's raining, snowing, want to make sure to cover the label and that it doesn't get faded or it doesn't get wet. So I'll cut my tape. And that's why I cut the label small too, so that I don't have to cut so much tape to be able to cover it all. And yeah, for anything that is under a pound, like I said, it's not gonna be more than $4. So, I mean, if you're gonna use, say this was, you know, maybe something really fragile and you wanted to use a box and you don't have a box from Amazon, use, you know, a box from your tea, from a cereal box, a cookie box, and then turn it inside out. Undo the box and turn it inside out, tape it, and then, yeah, the only way you know that it's a cereal box or cookie box is because you look inside and, you know, you can tell it's a cookie box. But you're only charging a little bit because it doesn't cost a lot to ship light things. So use things that you already have. You know, you don't have to go to the U-Haul store or the UPS and buy a box if you already have it. And then that's money that you don't have to invest. Okay? So that's my tip for you guys on shipping. And yeah, that's one more thing ready to go. I hope you like this video, and I have more coming for you, you know, as time progresses. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.